Hello and welcome to our program today. So today we are going to deal with classes, and we have a question here. So we are going to write about a pickup. We are going to write about classes, and we have a class with other derived classes. So the first class being a pickup with the data member distance, capacity, and time, and with member method set value 1 and set value 2, and we are going to have other derived classes. That first class is Toyota and another one is Isuzu. So Toyota will be using the data members distance and capacity to measure to find the consumption, and Isuzu you're going to use the data members distance and time to find the speed, so that we may have the display of the fuel consumption of Toyota Hilux from Mombasa to Turkana is this, and then the speed of the Isuzu D-Max from Mombasa to Turkana is this. So this is the question here. This is what we'll be dealing with. Now to our program, we have the normal preprocessor directives, and then now to our class. Our first class is obviously pickup. Well, it covers the general pickup. We are going to use this access specifier called protected. We use protected as when members, so that we use protected when members can be accessed from the same class and other derived classes. Protected, so you're going to the members here, they can be accessed from the same class pickup or other derived classes. So under pickup you have another derived class called Isuzu and another one called Toyota. We use this access specifier called public to show that the members can be accessed from anywhere within the program. Now this is our first class pickup with its data members distance, capacity, and time. And for set value 1 we are going to deal with distance and capacity, because we'll be looking for consumption, and we're going to use it with Toyota. And then the other set value to distance and time for speed. We have closed our first class. Now to our next class, our derived class Toyota, which is derived from the class pickup. And so its data member is consumption. We had already had its set values being distance and capacity. Now we end that class here. To our next class, Isuzu, where we'll be looking for the speed. So we have the data members distance and time that had already been defined in the class pickup. Now we go to the main to execute. We have this Toyota defined as Toyota Hilux, and Isuzu D-Max. We are going to use for Hilux set values 1, that is capacity, that is distance and we'll set for set value 1 distance and capacity. So for set value 1 Hilux, that is being Toyota, it is distance and capacity that will measure the consumption. And for set value 2 for Isuzu D-Max, it shall be distance and time to measure the speed, to find the speed. Now this is our C out. Let's see if the program has worked. Yeah, here is our output. The fuel consumption of Toyota being that value, and the speed of Isuzu D-Max from Mombasa to Turkana being that value. Now that's the end of our program. Thank you.